I wake up, I feel cozy, yeah.
Hi everyone. So today I'm doing like a birthday vlog. And so today I will meet up with my friend Theodora. We've actually been best friends since the first year of high school, and now I'm in my second year of university, so it's been quite some time. So I'm really happy that I get to spend my birthday hangout with her. And so now I'm gonna get ready. So I took a shower already and just washed my face with water. And now I'm gonna use this Medicube collagen jelly cream. I really like it. It looks like jelly so much I want to eat it, but it sits so well under your makeup. So yeah, I take around like this much and then I spread it on my face. So now I'm gonna do my makeup. I'm gonna skip this part of the video, but I have a makeup routine posted. I posted it not too long ago, so I'll link it down below. You guys can check it out if you want to. Okay, so I finished my makeup and now I need to find an outfit. I don't really know what to wear, but I'll see. Okay, so I got dressed. I'm not really sure about this outfit though. This is the fit. Like, I'm scared that I might be cold with just the tights like this, but under the sweater I have long sleeves and I'm gonna put a jacket on top. So yeah, I think it's kind of slay with the Vivienne Westwood necklace. And I'm gonna take this bag with me. It's literally my favorite bag. I got it from Yesstyle. It's so pretty. I'll link it down below if you guys want. That's not a thing that I would take, 'cause you're amazing. 날 바라보는 내 눈빛 속에 숨이 막혀. 이유 모를 이런 두근거림은 난 처음인 걸 내게 말. We're going to the autumn fair. So I go home, ate dinner, and now I'm just chilling. I'm gonna go to bed soon because I'm really tired. But so yeah, that was my day. It was really nice. We had a lot of fun. The ride was so much fun. We only did one ride though, but it was really nice. And the cafe was really good. We drank like a hot chocolate. It was like chai hot chocolate. It was really good. And the crumble thing with the ice cream on top tier. So yeah, see you guys tomorrow. 어디 아픈 건 아닐까 걱정 마.